some motorcycles are not just a means of transportation. They represent a lifestyle. The Honda Fury is one of those unique machines that has built its own identity worldwide through its long chopper-style body, distinctive road presence, and classic custom look. Whenever modern factory chopper motorcycles are discussed, the Honda Fury always comes into the spotlight. Its long front end, low-slung profile, and bold design set it completely apart from ordinary cruiser bikes. This is exactly why, even after all these years, the Fury continues to maintain its strong and unique identity. Now, discussions around the 2026 model have started gaining attention, and many riders are eager to know how Honda might take this famous chopper to the next level. Will we see a more modern design? Will new technology and updated features enhance the Fury's unique character? Or will Honda preserve its classic chopper soul while introducing only minor upgrades? If the Honda Fury appears in a refreshed form for 2026, it would not just be a model update. It could mark the beginning of the next evolutionary stage for this iconic factory chopper. And in today's video, we will take a detailed look at the possible new design, expected features, potential upgrades, and all the changes that could make this unique chopper even more special than before. The moment you hear the name Honda Fury, the first thing that comes to mind is its unique chopper-style identity. The motorcycle world is filled with many cruiser bikes, but the Fury has always managed to maintain its own distinct character. When it was first introduced, many riders considered it a bold move from Honda, because at that time most major manufacturers were focused on traditional cruiser designs, while Honda delivered a factory-built chopper inspired directly by custom motorcycle culture. Its long rake angle, extended front forks, low-slung seat, and stretched body lines gave it a road presence that felt completely different from ordinary bikes. This is why the Fury is not just a motorcycle, it became a statement machine for those who wanted to stand apart from the crowd. Even today, the Honda Fury continues to feel like a machine built outside conventional rules. Its entire design reflects freedom, individuality, and the essence of custom chopper culture. This is exactly why, even after so many years, the Fury has managed to maintain its popularity. Thousands of riders around the world still consider it one of the most unique factory choppers of the modern era. This lasting appeal proves that Honda didn't just create a product, it created a strong and recognizable identity. Now, as discussions around the 2026 model continue, the most interesting question is how far Honda will go in preserving this identity. The true strength of the Fury is not just its engine or performance, but its unmistakable design that makes it instantly recognizable from a distance. If Honda introduces changes in the 2026 version, it is most likely that the company will retain its classic chopper proportions while making it more refined and premium. New LED lighting, more polished bodywork, improved finishing, and modern design elements could refresh the bike while still preserving its original soul. At the same time, the motorcycle market has evolved significantly. Today's riders are not only looking for unique design, but also for modern features and better everyday usability. That is why many enthusiasts believe the Honda Fury 2026 could also include some important functional upgrades alongside visual enhancements. These possibilities make the bike even more interesting, as this is not about the return of a legend, but about the next stage in the evolution of a machine that already holds a unique position in its class. If Honda truly introduces major updates in the 2026 version of the Fury, the main focus would likely be on performance and the overall riding experience. Despite being a factory chopper, the Fury has always been a simple yet powerful machine, built not just for appearance, but also to deliver a smooth and comfortable cruising experience. With modern motorcycle technology advancing rapidly, expectations are that the new model could feature more refined engine tuning, improved throttle response, and reduced vibrations, offering a more modern and engaging riding feel. Better fuel efficiency and smoother power delivery could also make it even more suitable for long-distance touring. In terms of design, the Fury has always been recognized for its long, low-slung chopper profile, which remains its biggest strength. If a 2026 version is introduced, Honda's biggest challenge would be updating this iconic silhouette without losing its original identity. It is likely that the company would retain its core structure while making subtle refinements, such as a more modern headlight unit, an improved instrument cluster, and higher quality premium finishes. There could also be minor aerodynamic enhancements in certain areas to make the bike not only visually appealing, but also more practical in real-world riding conditions. Another important aspect would be the addition of technology. Modern motorcycles are no longer just mechanical machines. They have evolved into complete electronic ecosystems. Because of this, the Fury 2026 is expected to include basic modern features such as ABS, improved traction control, and possibly a simple riding assist system. However, given the nature of this bike, Honda may avoid overly complex electronics to preserve its classic chopper feel and raw riding character. Overall, the Honda Fury 2026 would likely represent a refined evolution rather than a complete transformation. An update that preserves its original identity while adapting it to modern expectations. And that is exactly what makes this bike special. Because the Fury has always appealed to riders who don't just want to ride, but want to be seen with a bold and distinct presence on the road. In the end, everything once again comes back to the same point where every legendary motorcycle story eventually stands, on the fine line between reality and rumors. So far, there has been no official announcement from Honda, nor any confirmed details regarding the Fury 2026 version. However, the level of excitement among riders around the world clearly shows that this factory chopper still holds a very strong place in the motorcycle community. If Honda decides to introduce this model in a refreshed form in the future, it would not just be a simple update, but the next step in a complete design philosophy. The Fury has always been a motorcycle built not just for riding, but for making a statement. Its long and low chopper stance, simple yet powerful body lines, and unmistakable road presence have always set it apart from ordinary cruisers. That is why, if a new version ever arrives, the biggest question will be whether it can preserve its classic identity or evolve into a more modern, technology-focused machine. Today's motorcycle world has changed completely. Power and design alone are no longer enough. Riders now expect a complete experience that includes comfort, safety, connectivity, and modern control systems. Because of this, if the Honda Fury 2026 becomes a reality, it could include upgrades such as improved braking systems, more refined engine performance, modern lighting setups, and possibly a simple yet effective digital display. However, the real challenge would still remain the same, preserving its chopper soul, because that is what makes it different from standard cruisers. If Honda succeeds in maintaining this balance, the Fury would not only become a successful update, but could also set a new benchmark in the factory chopper segment. It would be the moment where classic style and modern engineering merge into a single machine, creating something truly special. But one thing is absolutely clear. Some motorcycles never truly disappear, they just go silent. And when they return, they don't come back as just another machine, but as a feeling from the past brought back to life. The Honda Fury is one of those names, and if it ever returns, it would not just be a launch, it would mark the beginning of a new era. And if you want more detailed updates, reviews, and upcoming motorcycle news like this, make sure to follow our channel Bike News, because here it's not just about motorcycles, it's about the stories written on the road.